Typhoon Goni about to make a catastrophic landfall in the southern part of Luzon. 9 a.m. Manila time, October 31, 2020, currently 185 miles an hour winds, 295 kilometers per hour winds and 890 millimeters. The storm is the craziest storm in 2020, but it seems like it won't be another Haiyan, but still catastrophic. 9 a.m. Manila time, October 31, 2020, Super Typhoon Goni is located in 15.3 degrees north, 128.8 degrees east, 185 miles an hour winds and a pressure of 890 millibars, moving west-southwest at 14 miles an hour. Goni is currently 2,700 miles away from Camaran, 464 miles away from Calamba, 474 miles away from Manila, 464 miles away from Namuri, and 460 miles away from Tarlac City. The watches and warning is currently being more about Typhoon Signal number 1 for Northern Shama, about Tarlac, Santiago City, Isabela South Part, Corondo, Zamberos, and the Typhoon Signal number 2 mainly in San Francisco, San Andres, San Cristo, Manonani, Castonua, Manifesta, Lopez, and the other city much more. The JTWC forecast shows it will expecting a 140 knots winds landfall in the Luzon, and then right now it's already 155 knots. It's peaking now, and it will cross in the southern China Sea, and it's not expecting to re-strength again until it landfall to Vietnam. It will weaken to a tropical depression, and lastly will disappear in Vietnam. The model strengthen expecting for a peak now, and it will drop very soon because of the wind shear, and it is closer to land. The model track forecast also expecting for a mainly landfall in the Luzon. Wind shear will rise up very soon. The CDP scale are standing on a stage 8 for Camaran, Philippines, and the wind speed is going to be a crazy and catastrophic, and rainfall is not too much because the storm size is pretty small, but the storm surge also was very strong. Storm surge about 9 meters, extremely dangerous for stage 8 in the CDP scale. And the latest satellite imagery shows that just this morning, the very latest satellite imagery, and the eye is still keeping very well, about 8 mile huge eye. But still, it didn't have a big weaken. It didn't see in the satellite imagery. It didn't weaken that much, but it will move very fast. You can see moving southwest south very clearly, moving fast, and the temperature of the eye is now minus 80 Celsius. You can shows on the satellite here. The black thing is the very low temperature, minus 50 or lower. And the storm is quite tiny. And this is the last night's satellite imagery. You can see not too much change because it's keeping very well. So here's the update. Bye bye.